The digital gold rush, earning from your couch. In today's fast-paced world, the internet has opened up endless opportunities for everyone. The internet is a goldmine. It's a vast landscape, filled with potential for those willing to explore it. People are making money online every day. You can too. Forget the 9-to-5 grind. Embrace the freedom and flexibility that comes with working from home. Imagine working from your couch. No more long commutes or rigid schedules. Just you, your laptop, and the comfort of your home. Picture yourself earning extra cash in your pajamas. Whether it's early in the morning or late at night, you set your own hours. This is the power of the digital age. Technology has made it possible to connect with opportunities from anywhere in the world. One simple way to tap into this online income stream is through paid surveys. Companies need your opinion. They value your insights and are willing to pay for them. They'll pay you for it. It's a win-win. You get to share your thoughts and experiences, and in return, you earn money. You share your thoughts and they reward you. It's that easy. So why not take advantage of this opportunity? Start earning from your couch today and experience the freedom of the digital age. Cracking the code inside the world of paid surveys. What exactly are paid surveys? They are a way for companies to gather valuable consumer insights. Imagine this. You're relaxing at home, scrolling through your phone. A notification pops up. A company wants to know your thoughts on a new product. They send you a survey. You answer a few questions, sharing your honest opinions and experiences. Boom! You just earned money. Companies value your feedback and are willing to pay for it. Your opinions help them improve their products and services. This feedback loop is crucial for businesses. Surveys are their way of gathering this valuable information. They analyze the data to make informed decisions, and they're willing to pay for it. The more detailed and thoughtful your responses, the more valuable they become. There are various platforms and websites where you can sign up to take these surveys. Some even offer bonuses for regular participation. Rewards can range from cash to gift cards and sometimes even products to test and keep. Setting up a profile is usually quick and easy. The more surveys you complete, the more opportunities you get. So, if you're looking for a simple way to earn some extra cash, paid surveys might just be the perfect fit for you. Your first steps to survey success. Choosing the right platforms. Ready to dive in? Let's get started on this exciting journey. The first step is finding reputable survey platforms. These platforms are the gateway to earning rewards and sharing your valuable opinions. These are websites that connect you with companies seeking your opinion. They act as intermediaries, ensuring that your feedback reaches the right people. There are many options out there. From well-known names to emerging platforms, the choices can be overwhelming. Choosing the right ones is crucial. It's not just about signing up, it's about finding platforms that align with your interests and offer fair compensation. Look for platforms with positive reviews. User feedback can provide insights into the reliability and profitability of a site. Check out their payment methods. Ensure they offer convenient and secure ways to receive your earnings, whether it's through PayPal, gift cards, or direct bank transfers. Make sure they're secure and reliable. Don't fall for scams. Stick with trusted sites. Research thoroughly. Read user experiences, and always prioritize your online safety. Section 4. Diving in. A look at top-tier survey sites. Let's get specific. Here are a few examples of popular and trustworthy survey platforms. Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars. These sites offer a variety of surveys. They pay you for your time. Signing up is easy. Just provide some basic information. Create your profile. Start browsing available surveys. Choose the ones that interest you. Section 5. Maximizing your survey, swag tips and tricks for higher earnings. Want to make the most of your survey-taking endeavors? Here are a few tips. Be honest and thoughtful in your responses. Don't rush through surveys. Check your email regularly for new opportunities. Remember, quality matters. Companies want genuine feedback. Provide that, and you'll increase your earning potential. Section 6. Steering clear of survey scams. Protecting your time and money. Not all survey sites are created equal. Some are scams. They'll waste your time and steal your information. Be wary of sites that ask for personal details up front. Avoid platforms that promise unrealistic earnings. Stick with reputable sites. Do your research. Read reviews. Protect yourself from scams. Section 7. Surveys and beyond. your journey to online income. Paid surveys won't make you rich overnight, but they offer a simple way to earn extra cash online. It's a great starting point for exploring the world of online income. Start small. Be consistent. Explore other online opportunities. The possibilities are endless. The digital gold rush is on. Are you in?